Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey to inner peace through the powerful practice of mindful meditation. Whether you're new to meditation or looking to deepen your practice, this guide is designed to provide you with all the tools and insights you need to start your journey toward a calmer, more focused mind. In the next hour or so, we'll explore the essence of mindfulness, the basics of meditation, and how to seamlessly integrate these practices into your daily life. We'll also hear from experts and real people who have experienced the profound benefits of mindful meditation. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to unlock the secrets to inner peace. Imagine waking up each day with a clear, focused mind, ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. Picture yourself feeling calm and centered, even in the face of stress and uncertainty. This is the promise of mindful meditation, a practice that has been proven to reduce stress, enhance mental clarity, and improve overall well-being. In today's fast-paced world where we're constantly bombarded with information and demands, finding moments of peace and stillness can feel impossible. But with mindful meditation, you can create a sanctuary of calm within yourself, no matter what's happening around you. So what exactly is mindfulness and why is it so powerful? Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about being fully engaged in whatever you're doing, whether it's eating, walking, or simply breathing. When you're mindful, you're not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Instead, you're fully present, experiencing life as it unfolds. This state of awareness can help you break free from the constant stream of thoughts that often cause stress and anxiety. Meditation, on the other hand, is a technique used to train the mind in mindfulness. It's a practice that involves focusing your attention on a specific object, thought, or activity to achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. There are many different types of meditation, but mindful meditation is one of the most accessible and effective, especially for beginners. By practicing mindful meditation, you can cultivate a greater sense of awareness, clarity, and calm. Let's dive into the basics of setting up for meditation. Creating a comfortable space for your practice is crucial. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, whether it's a corner of your room, a spot in your garden, or even a quiet park. Make sure your space is comfortable. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down if that's more comfortable for you. The key is to maintain a posture that allows you to stay alert yet relaxed. Keep your back straight but not rigid, and let your hands rest comfortably in your lap or on your knees. Next, let's talk about the importance of your breath in meditation. Your breath is a powerful anchor that can help you stay grounded in the present moment. Start by taking a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. As you settle into your practice, allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm whenever your mind starts to wander, and it will gently bring your attention back to your breath. This simple act of returning to your breath is the essence of mindful meditation. One of the most effective techniques for beginners is breath awareness. This involves focusing your attention on your breath and observing it without trying to change it. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Then allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Focus your attention on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Practice this for just a few minutes each day, and you'll soon notice a greater sense of calm and clarity. Another powerful technique is the body scan. This involves systematically focusing your attention on different parts of your body, from your toes to the top of your head. Begin by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Start by focusing on your toes. Notice any sensations you feel, tingling, warmth, coolness, or even a sense of tension. Slowly move your attention up through your feet, ankles, calves, knees, and so on, until you reach the top of your head. If you notice any areas of tension, try to relax them. The body scan can help you develop a greater awareness of your body and release any built up tension. Mindful listening is another excellent technique to practice. This involves focusing your attention on the sounds around you without judgment. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Then shift your attention to the sounds you can hear. These could be the sounds of nature, traffic, or even your own breath. Notice the different qualities of the sounds, their pitch, volume, and duration. Try to listen without labeling or judging the sounds as good or bad. Simply observe them as they come and go. Mindful listening can help you develop a greater sense of presence and awareness. Now, let's explore how to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. You don't need to set aside a special time for mindfulness. You can practice it anytime, anywhere. One way to do this is through mindful eating. The next time you sit down to eat, take a moment to appreciate your food. Notice its colors, textures, and smells. Take a small bite and savor the flavors. Chew slowly and pay attention to the sensations in your mouth. This simple practice can help you develop a greater appreciation for your food and make mealtime a more enjoyable experience. Mindful walking is another excellent way to integrate mindfulness into your daily routine. The next time you go for a walk, try to be fully present. Notice the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the movement of your legs, and the rhythm of your breath. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and smells around you. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to the act of walking. Mindful walking can help you develop a greater sense of connection with your body and the world around you. You can also practice mindfulness while doing everyday activities like washing the dishes, brushing your teeth, or taking a shower. The key is to be fully present and engaged in whatever you're doing. Notice the sensations, smells, and sounds of the activity. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to the task at hand. By practicing mindfulness in your daily activities, you can develop a greater sense of presence and reduce stress. Let's hear from Dr. Susan Williams, a clinical psychologist and mindfulness expert with over 25 years of experience. Dr. Williams explains that mindfulness is not just about relaxation. It's about developing a deeper awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. This awareness can help you respond to life's challenges with greater clarity and calm. She emphasizes that mindfulness is a skill that can be developed with practice, and the benefits can be profound. Research has shown that regular mindfulness practice can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. Dr. Williams also highlights the importance of consistency in mindfulness practice. It's not enough to practice mindfulness sporadically. It needs to be a regular part of your life to have a lasting impact. She recommends setting aside a specific time each day for mindfulness practice, even if it's just a few minutes. This can help you develop a habit and make mindfulness a natural part of your daily routine. She also suggests being kind and patient with yourself. Mindfulness is a journey, and it's normal to experience ups and downs along the way. The key is to keep practicing and to approach each moment with an open and curious mind. Now let's hear some real-life success stories from individuals who have experienced the benefits of mindful meditation. Meet Lisa, a busy professional who used to feel constantly overwhelmed by her work and personal life. Lisa decided to start a daily mindfulness practice, beginning with just 5 minutes of breath awareness each morning. She soon noticed a significant reduction in her stress levels and an improvement in her overall mood. Lisa also found that she was more focused and productive at work, and she had a greater sense of calm and clarity in her personal life. Mindful meditation has become an essential part of Lisa's daily routine, helping her navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Next, we have Mark's story. Mark is a college student who struggled with anxiety and stress related to his academic workload. Mark decided to try mindful meditation as a way to manage his anxiety. He started with guided meditations and gradually moved on to practicing on his own. Mark found that mindfulness helped him stay present and reduce his tendency to ruminate on anxious thoughts. He also noticed an improvement in his sleep quality and overall sense of well-being. Mindful meditation has become a valuable tool for Mark, helping him manage his anxiety and improve his academic performance. Our final story comes from Sarah, a mother of two who felt overwhelmed by the demands of parenting and work. Sarah decided to incorporate mindfulness into her daily routine by practicing mindful walking and mindful eating. She also set aside a few minutes each day for breath awareness. Sarah found that mindfulness helped her develop a greater sense of presence and calm, even in the midst of her busy life. She also noticed an improvement in her relationships with her children and her ability to handle stress. Mindful meditation has helped Sarah find a sense of balance and inner peace. Now let's move on to our interactive segment. We asked our viewers to submit their questions about mindful meditation, and we'll be answering a few of them now. Our first question comes from Emily, who asks, "How can I find time for meditation with a busy schedule?" This is a great question, Emily. Finding time for meditation can be challenging, especially when you have a lot on your plate. One strategy is to incorporate mindfulness into your existing routine. For example, you can practice mindfulness while you're commuting to work or school, or take a few minutes to meditate before bed. Another approach is to schedule meditation into your calendar, just like you would with any other important appointment. Start with small, manageable changes and gradually build on them as you become more comfortable. Our next question is from Michael, who asks, "What are some techniques for dealing with a wandering mind during meditation?" This is a common challenge for many beginners, Michael. It's important to remember that a wandering mind is natural and part of the meditation process. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring your attention back to your breath or the object of your focus. You can also try using a mantra, a word or phrase that you repeat silently to yourself to help anchor your attention. Another technique is to practice noting, which involves silently labeling your thoughts or feelings as they arise, and then gently returning to your breath. With practice, you'll find it easier to stay focused and present during meditation. Our final question comes from Laura, who asks, "How can I stay motivated to practice meditation consistently?" Staying motivated can be challenging, but there are a few strategies that can help. First, remind yourself of the benefits of meditation and how it improves your mental and physical health. Keeping a journal to track your progress and reflect on the positive changes can be a powerful motivator. It's also important to make meditation enjoyable by choosing techniques that you genuinely enjoy. Finally, consider seeking support from friends, family, or a meditation group who can help you stay accountable and provide encouragement along the way. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points and techniques we've discussed. Mindful meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace and improving mental well-being. Understanding the basics of mindfulness and meditation is the first step in starting your practice. Practical techniques like breath awareness, body scan, and mindful listening can help you develop greater awareness and calm. Incorporating mindfulness into daily activities like eating and walking can make it a natural part of your routine. Real-life stories from individuals like Lisa, Mark, and Sarah show that these techniques can make a big difference in your life. And expert advice from professionals like Dr. Williams provides valuable insights and strategies for maintaining consistency and adapting your practice to fit your needs. We hope you found this video insightful and engaging. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on mindfulness and meditation. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for our community. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your own meditation tips and experiences. We'd love to hear from you. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll do our best to address them in future videos. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It's about finding what works best for you and making small, consistent changes to improve your mental and physical well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care and stay well.